You were talking about the clawback provisions in there, and the legislation to discuss, or not, that was passed this past year to if the companies don't fulfill their job creation agreements, that the state will be able to get the money, the tax credits
Yes,
back.
That's our business development fund.
Which kind of agreements with companies is the state implementing the clawback provisions on?
Those callback provisions are implemented in what we call business development transactions. Those are grants that are made directly to the companies, and I'll distinguish that for you. Whereas the infrastructure grants that I mentioned in the presentation are made to the communities, so industrial development boards, municipalities that have industrial parks that they're supporting, for example. We're running sewer, we might be running rail line. Those are traditional infrastructure grants, and again, those are going broadly to the community, not to a specific company. Although we're looking at a company and we're looking at building the correct infrastructure for a company's success when we make those sorts of investments on behalf of the state. The business development grants are grants that are made directly to the companies to facilitate their move here. So those funds could be used for anything from temporary office space to relocation expenses to moving equipment, etc. There, the reimbursement is made directly to the company, and the company is responsible for maintaining a certain number of jobs, the jobs that have been committed to, and if they don't, then there's a contractual provision to call those funds back.
I know the comptroller, and then there's also been other criticism on the Department of Revenue for not adequately tracking and verifying job tax credits. Does your department verify that the companies are delivering on jobs they promise in exchange for tax credits or other subsidies that are government aid?
The tax credit verification is done by the Department of Revenue, and that's confidential taxpayer information that our department's not privy to. So we're not involved in that part of the tracking.